I know a lot of you gonna think I'm crazy when I say this, but I believe the stock market can rally from where we are right now, given the fact that we have some extreme bearishness or negative sentiment out here in the market. So much so that you see this type of negative sentiment when we're at or near bear market lows. On top of that, you got to consider this. With all the negativity out there, you would think that we were already down 20% in the market, but we're only off about 6% from all-time highs. Also, on top of that, you got a lot of indices and sectors of the market approaching technical support levels in the market, meaning this is where institutions start to step in and start buying again. On top of that, this is a midterm year. Trump, one of the things that he prides himself on is the stock market. Well, the stock market being positive going into the November elections would be a positive, but at this point in time, at the time of this recording, you got gas prices higher, grocery prices higher, and a lot of other negative things out here in the economy. Now, I'll also say this: even though I believe the market can rally, here's a note of caution. The impact of an oil shock doesn't show up immediately. Yes, we've seen gas prices go up. However, 6 to 12 months from now, we may see the ramifications show up in company earnings. And I got that bit of information from Carson Research. So shout out to those guys because they do some amazing work. I'll also say this: one of the ways that the market tries to trap you is that the market will typically rally off of a huge negative event like this to new all-time highs, and then people get complacent, and then that's when the market actually gets wrecked. Then they're too complacent to take action and do what's necessary to protect their portfolios. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the page, and tell me whether or not you think I'm crazy based on saying that the market can rally from this point. Thanks.